Cari Fratelli Sorelli, and welcome to my weekly video blog. This week it is, of course, a bumper blog this week because I did no blog last week, and I'm here in the Victoria Gardens, just outside the Victoria Centre, so that you can see all the lights. Some lights there. That's all lit up. Now, these lights are, for the last 5 years, the lights in Harrogate have been pretty much the same, and there's been quite a lot of them, and they were getting a bit worn, I felt, last year. This year there is noticeably less lights, but they are more respectable, I suppose you could say. I think it's better. I do think it's better. So the big switch on happened earlier this week, but I didn't go because it was raining, so I didn't bother going for the big switch on. Now, basically, I didn't do a blog last week because I was too busy uploading all my videos from my American Dreams Tour 3. I still have a few to upload, but I'm hoping that I will finish them this week in time for the American Thanksgiving, and then from next week the videos, the usual set of videos that I do, including blogs and the quiche reviews and all that sort of stuff, can then re-begin, because I have suspended them for now, because there's just too much else to concentrate on. So hopefully that will begin again, and then we shall be into, or we shall be very close to, the start of Advent. So there we are. I am away from my computer, so I am unable to do any birthday wishes this week. So next week you'll have 3 weeks worth of birthdays, 2 that are belated. I do apologise for that, but it's always an issue after a tour such as this to get yourself back to a sane place, back to normality, upload and away, basically. And we're still on the upload phase. The other thing to note this week is that the Christmas market has been in town. The Christmas market is only open 4 days, and on the lower part of the Stray it's growing, and it's an issue now. You know, in past years I've been quite kind to it, but as it grows, I'm afraid the location is very unsuitable. The last 4 years have been filled with rain at this time of year, which means that the Stray there gets very muddy, and it's just not capable of being used in that way. I think they need to move to the showground, or maybe even here. They need to be on a concrete area, I think, really. I went around, had a look around. Obviously it's terribly busy and terribly expensive as well, and more than usual. Half of it is all sort of eateries. You can get your hot roast chestnuts and stuff. It's good, but in order for it to progress, I do feel now that it needs to consider relocation. And that's my vlog for this week.